We are looking at a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. It is a single board computer. That is the microprocessor, which is the main part of a Raspberry Pi, the main brains. The power supply in this USB style of socket here, which is the same kind of socket that you will find on an Android smartphone. And going around the board, we can see an HDMI socket. This is for the audio and video outputs that this board is capable of. You can alternatively use this connector to hook up a display, or a camera can be connected via this connector. This is an RCA socket for audio and video purposes as well. Looking around this corner, this is an Ethernet socket, an RJ45 jack, which is capable of gigabit Ethernet. We have 4 USB 2 sockets, and further around we can see all of these pins here, 40 of them, which are the GPIO ones. The pin out, the actual names for each pin, is not on the board. You would have to look up a chart to determine which pin corresponds to which purpose. Further around, spinning the board around, we have this little component here is actually the antenna, so that this Raspberry Pi computer can connect on a Wi-Fi network. It's the wireless antenna. And the other thing to point out, on the underside of the board, where we can see some other components such as the RAM chip, is we have a socket here for an SD memory card, which you load the operating system on and can be used for any storage capacity of the Raspberry Pi. Other than that, we have an action and power LED. These two components are for those purposes. One is red and one is green. The activity LED will flash whenever there is activity on the computer. Power whenever there is power being supplied to the board. So that is the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B single board computer.